Hey there. Have you ever noticed your gadgets heating up just when you need them most? What if I told you that the fluffy chinchilla might hold the secret to better cooling solutions for your tech? Let's dive into this adorable inspiration together. We all love our gadgets, but overheating can lead to performance issues and shorten their lifespan. By examining how chinchillas keep cool, we can uncover innovative ways to help our devices run more efficiently and last longer. Nature has so much to teach us, and today, we're tapping into that wisdom. 1. Chinchillas have incredibly dense fur that protects them from the heat of their native Andes climate. This unique structure helps them effectively regulate their body temperature. Tech designers could learn from this by using similar layered materials to enhance heat dissipation in our devices. 2. Chinchillas manage their body temperature by seeking out cooler areas. Imagine if our gadgets had built-in temperature sensors that adjusted their cooling based on their surroundings. 3. Chinchillas thrive in well-ventilated burrows. We can take a cue from this and design technology that promotes better airflow. Incorporating vents or using materials that enhance airflow can help keep our electronics cool. 4. Chinchilla habitats are naturally sustainable. By utilizing eco-friendly materials inspired by their fur design, we can create tech gadgets that perform well while being kind to the planet. 5. Just as chinchillas prefer a comfortable environment, we should design gadgets that not only function well but also feel good to use. Thoughtful shapes and materials can significantly enhance our tech experiences. Start by checking if your devices have enough ventilation. Make sure vents aren't blocked. Consider using cooling pads or stands for laptops to improve airflow. Look for gadgets made from sustainable materials that enhance cooling, similar to those inspired by chinchilla fur. One common mistake is stacking devices or keeping them in cramped spaces, which can trap heat and lead to overheating. Always give your gadgets some breathing room. So, the next time your tech starts heating up, remember the chinchilla. By drawing inspiration from nature, we can find smarter ways to keep our devices cool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into technology. Hey, race the revised version of your script chunk, performance laptops and gaming consoles. 3. Lightweight materials. Chinchillas are lightweight, which brings us to the materials we use in technology. If we could develop lightweight cooling mechanisms that mimic their fur's properties, our gadgets would not only stay cooler but also become more portable. 3. Sustainable design. Additionally, chinchillas remind us of the importance of sustainability. Their natural cooling methods can inspire eco-friendly gadgets that utilize renewable materials, helping to reduce our carbon footprint while keeping our devices cool. 3. Inspiration for future innovations. Finally, this isn't just about cooling, it's about thinking outside the box. By studying chinchillas and other animals, we can spark a new wave of innovation in technology that is both functional and environmentally friendly. Practical steps viewers can follow today. Want to tap into this inspiration? Here are a few simple steps you can take. 1. Research nature. Spend some time learning about animals and their adaptations. You might discover your own source of inspiration. 2. Rethink your gadgets. Consider how your devices cool themselves. Are there ways to improve this? 3. Choose eco-friendly products. Support companies that prioritize sustainability in their designs. Common mistakes or warnings. One common mistake is overlooking the importance of cooling in technology. Many users ignore overheating until it's too late. Always keep an eye on your devices and ensure they have proper ventilation. Be cautious about using gadgets on soft surfaces that can block airflow. Short, friendly conclusion. CTA. So, the next time you see a chinchilla, think about the cool tech solutions we can learn from them. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.